Hi, to enable smart call features on your POCO X7, we need to open our phone app first. And now tap those three dots on the top and choose Settings. After that, we can check our smart call features. So, for example, firstly, we can go in call recordings and here choose to delete recordings after this amount of time, for example 7 days, 14 or 30. Now let's go back, choose caller ID and spam, and here you can filter spam calls by tapping on the switcher, and you can decide to see caller and spam ID. Now let's go back and choose the tab calling accounts. So here go in call forwarding and it will load a couple of seconds, and after that you can set always forward when busy, when unanswered, or when unreachable. So for example, you can go in always forward, and now when you won't be answering a phone call, this phone call will be forwarded to the number which you entered here. Or you can tap this person icon and choose any of your contacts from the list and tap to turn on. You can do the same for when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. And to save the changes, simply go back. Now let's check call waiting. So here you can enable to notify you of other incoming calls during a call. This is really helpful feature. I suggest you to keep this one enabled. Now let's check incoming call settings. Here we can enable or disable quiet ringer when lifted, so you can reduce ringer volume for incoming call when phone is raised. You can also increase ringtone volume and use flash to notify about incoming calls. If you want to enable everything, just tap on the switcher so it will light up blue and go back. And now let's go in auto answer, and here you can choose to automatically pick up incoming calls with delay of 3 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, or set no delay, and enable it for headsets only, Bluetooth only, headsets or Bluetooth or always. So to enable headset, just tap it, Bluetooth here, headset or Bluetooth, and always like that. Now let's go back and choose advanced settings. Here we can set missed call reminders, just like that. You can choose to vibrate when your phone call is answered. You can choose normal or you can disable vibration. Here you can go in call waiting notification and select one of these three options. The first one is default, by the way. And of course, you can go in quick responses and enable this call feature. Now when someone will be calling you and you don't want to answer or you are busy, you can just swipe the line up, check the quick responses tab, and select something from these options. You can also just edit it if you tap it. For example, you can add emoji, and this is how it will look. And of course, you can restore defaults. Now let's go back, and we can also see call bearing here. So you can enable it for all outgoing calls, international outgoing calls, all incoming calls while roaming. You can change bearing password and you can cancel all. So you can check this setting right here. And you can go in caller ID and use default operator settings to display your number in outgoing calls, or you can choose to hide your number or show it. Now let's set everything, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.